guys, so I've just come outside right now and look what has happened. It's snowing. It's so cold. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Okay guys, so it hasn't snowed in the UK since like forever. So when I just saw this snow, I was so shocked. Look at this, guys. Snow! Snow, guys. Snow, guys. Snow, guys. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's actually really, really cold. So, yeah, snow's looking. Me and my brother were making snowmans and it all melted on the floor. So, yeah. But like, yeah, guys, it's snowing in the UK. And this is how it is. So, I'm really excited. Me and my brother are gonna have snowball fights. We're gonna do all of this because, guys, I'm so happy. I'm gonna write my name here. See, I wrote M. That's so cute. But yeah, guys, even the trees are a bit snowy. It was like worse before, but now it's calmed down a bit. Let me go outside to the front porch and so you guys can see. I'm gonna ice skate. I can't ice skate in this. Did you ice skate?
Only a little bit. For long.
Okay, yeah, guys.
I'm gonna
But yeah, wow, it's really, really
It's
cool.
literally filled. Look at our shed. Like, it's filled with snow. Snowballs, snow vibes. Guys, actually, man, it's actually filled with snow. Look at the floor. I'm currently dressed out for the snow. I don't have any gloves. I don't know why I'm going out without the gloves. I don't understand that. But guys, just look at this snow. It's absolutely phenomenal. Like, it was the last time we had snow. It was a long, long time ago. Snow. Last year, there wasn't too much snow. There was just frost. Yeah, not too much like yada yada bada. Look at that. Look at that snow. Like, yesterday at 8:45, there was too much snow. Like, yeah? Too much snow. Like,